Being familiar with your manifestations is a mandatory, it's a major requirement in order for you to get what you want. Because if you're not familiar with what you want, there's going to be problems. And that's what we're talking about today with Karen. You know, Karen, she's my wonderful client. She's adorable, and in Canada. So I know that you want to ask me several questions. I haven't prepared for this, but I can't wait because I like people asking me questions. So let's start with the familiarity. What did you want to ask?
Yeah, I wanted to know why becoming familiar with what you want is so important.
Okay, so this is how I'm gonna phrase it. We have conscious mind and subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is the little bugger who keeps screwing things up for us. It's in charge of 95% of everything we manifest, everything we think, and get done. So this is how it goes. The subconscious mind is there to protect you. It literally think that if you're dealing with something unknown, unfamiliar to you, you're gonna die. It's that dramatic. It literally thinks that if you're used to 50 grand a year and you should get 150 grand a year, that it's such a threat that you could die. Of course you won't, but that's what it thinks anyway. So you need to make something just as familiar as your 50 grand. You need to make the 150 grand just as familiar so that subconscious mind doesn't freak out and lets you have it. But if it's not familiar, it's not going to let you have it because it's scared that you're going to get hurt. That's why
So,
everything you want has to be familiar before you can receive it. Otherwise, the subconscious mind and the ego and blah, 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 blah will not let you have it because it thinks you're in threat, you're under threat, something's going to happen to you, you could possibly die, and it's going to do everything in its power to prevent that. Do we understand now?
so how do we go about doing that?
So you want you're let's say you're on 50 or 100 grand now and you want 10 million, and of course subconscious mind is like, no, no, you
Hmm.
can't, you're gonna die, no. So what you're gonna do is like, oh yeah, it's happening, you can bet your ass that this is happening. So you will go and you do the things I teach you to do. Okay, I want to see if I can have a test drive with a Lamborghini or Bugatti. I'm definitely getting test drive with a top-notch Mercedes. I'm gonna go and view a $5 million house. Why couldn't I? And I'll keep doing these things, and I'll go to places where millionaires and billionaires are, and I'll, put myself into situations which are normal to them, and I'll do it so much until I feel like one of them. Until I feel like, 10 million isn't much. I really need like 50. You'll make that amount and that life and that everything so familiar that the subconscious mind goes, no, you could die. It's like, no, actually, you won't die. You're fine. We can do this. It'll calm down. It will not see 10 or 50 million as a threat anymore. It'll see it as something safe. And then it's going to help you.
So we can feel, we know that when we're going through the process of becoming familiar, our reaction to it is what how we measure how close we are to believing it.
Um, yes, you can. There's some exercises you can do, and maybe I'll talk about it in another video. Maybe I'll show you, but I'm not ready for it now. I would have to adjust my room, so I'm not doing that. But ex there are exercises you can do to find out if you actually believe it. So remind me, we'll do that in the next video. But you can also, do something like someone mentions 100 million or 50 million and you're like, yeah, that's about cool. That doesn't move you. It
That's
doesn't
right.
move you. It feels like, yeah, next.
It's normal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And you could
That's good.
try it. You could try it on, yeah, it doesn't, I don't have palpitations. I don't have knot in my stomach. It doesn't raise my you know, anything inside me. I don't have anxiety. I don't feel depressed. I don't have panic attacks. Yeah, just a fucking number, duh. You
Yeah.
know? And then you're like, yeah, you got it.
Okay, thank you. My next question is, what types of people are drawn to becoming wanting better results or becoming more abundant?
This is such a great topic. There's lots of you who want results. And this is going to be a longer explanation. There's lots of you who want great results. Lots of you are doing all the wrong things in the wrong order. And if you just talk to me and I would explain to you how wrongly you're doing it and how easy it can be, you would get some results. But there's lots of you who say, I want this. I really want this. And then when I say, but you need to do this, you're like, it's too difficult. No, I don't wanna. Nah."
Mm.
So there's two kinds of people. Both of them say they want it, but one talks shit and won't put the effort and time and money in, and one will do anything they need to do. Guess who wins every single
Good.
time?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you say you want something, success means doing whatever. I will. Oh, okay. This is a good time to say my favorite definition of success. Successful people do everything what unsuccessful people refuse to do. That's the only difference, nothing else. Education doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter. Where you're from doesn't matter. How tall you are doesn't matter. If you're pretty doesn't matter. The only difference between successful and unsuccessful people is that successful people will do anything to get what they want, and unsuccessful people can be asked. That's the only difference. But everyone can manifest everything they want. But you either learn to do it properly or you won't. Up to you. No one can force you. I can force you. Universe can force you. Your mother can force you. No one can force you. You either make the decision, I'm getting this and I will not stop until I have it, or you say it would be nice, but I can be asked. I prefer to have a beer and watch TV. Does it answer your question?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Yeah, 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 yeah. So the people that want it put the effort in,
The
and
people
they
you need to
it
have a
become it becomes a top priority, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
top priority. You do anything. You have like
Mhm.
desire, which is like burning inside you. Like if you don't do it, you'll burst into billion pieces. It's like it has to happen. I really want this. When you have a burning desire, yes, that's the best thing. If it's like, I really want this, but no, I don't have time for sessions. No, I don't want to spend money on sessions. No, I'm not willing to change. No, this is too much effort. No, I don't have time. I'm busy for next 3 years. Blah, 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 blah. There's no, I can't because there's no water on Mars. Yeah.
It's like a sea of excuses,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Then you never really wanted it. And your desire is within the spectrum of it would be nice dream. But it's not a burning desire. If I don't get this, I won't be able to. I can't even imagine what I'll do if I don't get this. I have to have it. And when you have a burning desire, yep, there has to be passion. There has to be incredible passion. This is happening. That's what excites the brain to help you through obstacles you will have to meet to get where you want to be. Yeah.
So when you become passionate for what you want, um, does do people notice it?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Try to talk me out of not being a coach. Good luck with that. I knew it since I was 5.
Wow.
Was the only thing I ever wanted to do.
Mm.
Maybe I wanted to sing like Mariah Carey, but I do that in private time.
In the
Yeah,
shower, right? Okay.
that's it.
Um, that's good. And the other thing is, the sky's the limit. That's an expression that we hear a lot. Is that something that resonates with you?
Absolutely. 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 I don't do limits. It would be extremely beyond rare for me to have one. I'm sure it's possible, but I can't find any, and I'm very good at spotting it. If anyone points it out, I'm up for it. So far, so good. I don't like limits. I never have. It bothers me. It makes me physically uncomfortable, which I'm grateful for. Um, and you literally, I believe in anything's possible. I do believe with my whole heart that anything's possible. Anything. And when,
That's because it already exists,
yeah,
right?
it
Yeah.
already exists. Whatever you can imagine, you
Mhm.
can have, and it already exists. You can only imagine it because it already exists. You already did it. Your imaginations, your dreams are a memory of what already happened. Did you know that?
Mhm.
Whatever you imagine is a memory of what you already done and did have. That's why you can see it. So, of course, anything you can imagine is possible.
So,
Anything you cannot imagine is possible, just not for you.
so
Maybe
going back
necessarily.
to familiarity,
Yeah.
the fact that it already exists, we're already familiar with it. We just have to up that up, right?
You
Make
already,
it more.
if you say, okay, I have a dream of $10 million house, you have that image because you already lived in a $10 million house. It's a memory. And if you say, well, if it's a memory and I already have it, and I decided I already have it again, it's inevitable. It has to happen.
Mhm.
If it's a memory and I've already done that, I'm doing it again, and I'm doing it now.
And we're already familiar with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
So that
already
means,
know. So close
yeah.
your eyes and walk through the house and get the feeling you once had in a different parallel reality, a different timeline, and you will know exactly how it feels.
Mhm.
So, and then you say, okay, it's mine. And when you say it's mine, everything turns around and you insist on it and you don't waver. You stay in one lane. As I explained the videos you need to watch a week or two ago. You stay in one lane. I already have
Mhm.
it. This is already mine. Nothing and no one can spoil it for me. Then it's inevitable by laws of physics.
Okay.
And you have it
Let
because it's a memory.
Yeah. Yeah. So we just have to realize that.
Yeah. And of
Mhm.
course, anything is possible. Of course it is. So there's no, and I have proof of it. You know, I have clients who come to me and after first months, they manifest 100 million contracts, in 2 months, 250 million contracts, and then 80 billion contract. Those are numbers which are out of this world, and it just happened because it was just fun. So it's not like I haven't seen these numbers. I believed it before I saw it, and now I'm seeing it
Yeah.
because I know
Well,
it can happen. Of course, it can happen. And at the speed at which it happened was like 12 hours. Absolutely anything is possible because I've seen it. I always knew it, and now I've seen it because
mm,
what you believe has to materialize.
yeah.
So have one unbelievable client who can easily do this. Every time she walks out of the door, there's 100 million here, a few billion there. And like,
Good for her.
yeah, she's awesome. But you know what? She's one of the clients like, you're fucking this up. Okay, I will never do that again, Yana. Consider it done. No talking back, no ego trip, nothing. Okay, it's done. Yana, it's done. You will never see me doing it again. And then next day, well, here you go. A few billion in.
Good for
Because
her.
she has a burning desire. Because she
Obviously.
fucking wants it.
Hmm.
There's nothing else she wants than this. She lives for it with her every cell. Of course, it has to happen then. Why wouldn't it? And she doesn't bullshit me. I say, you're doing this wrong, you're doing this wrong, you're doing this wrong. When are you going to stop it? Now. You will never see me doing it again. I promise. And there you go.
So in some ways, she corrected her beliefs, right?
Yeah, it's all
In
about
order.
correcting beliefs, all about
Mhm.
correcting beliefs. And
Mhm.
if you think that she just has two, no, she has loads like everyone else. But the difference is like, Jana, you will never see me doing that again. This is embarrassing. Yep, it is. For someone as smart as you, it is. Done deal. And we move on to all the other fuck ups.
With more success.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And there's
Well,
no,
thank you.
there's no ego trip, but I really, and you don't understand, and yeah, 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 yeah. No, it has to go. I can't do this. I don't want this in my life, Yana. It has to go. It's gone. That's a fire in a belly. It's amazing to observe. Amazing to observe. Nothing gives me more pleasure than seeing that. And there's few of you like this, and I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.
It's great.
And all of you who are watching me and all my clients have the same option, have the same possibilities, just like her. It's
Mhm.
all in you. Do you have burning desire, fire in the belly? Do you want it? And are you willing to do what you have to do? If the answer to those was yes, you're our next billionaire. And it doesn't have to take longer than a couple of months. Couple of months, not years, months. That's all it takes once you make a decision. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
It is absolutely. It's like it comes back to familiarity, right? How
Yeah,
familiar you are with what you want.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And it's
I
awesome. It's awesome. It's
mm-hmm.
really wow.
Yeah.
I
It's
feel I
very
feel I feel extremely lucky. I feel extremely privileged to work with people like that. But I
yeah.
also manifested them.
Mm-hmm.
I also worked hard on manifesting the people I want to work with, being them the way you guys show up. I had to do the work first. I set
Mm-hmm.
standards of what I'm expecting as, what kind of people I want, how do they treat me, how nice they are, do they do everything I say, or are they there just for, yeah, it was nice. I got coaching with Yana. She's sort of nice and she's fun and I've learned something. Yeah, I don't have results because I'm not applying it, but yeah, great. If that's what you want, fair. But if you want serious results, I'm your person.
I agree with that. Yeah, you're
Thank
very
you.
persistent.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for answering my questions.
Of course, and we'll do it again because we like doing this. You're good at asking, and I'm not too shabby answering, I think.
Yeah.
And guys, if you have fire in your belly and you want results like we talked about, and you're tired of dealing with shit and not getting anything you want, there's a link to my Millionaire Breakthrough. Go and set up a call with one of my team, and we'll tell you what you need to do and how to sign up for the program where I teach for 2 months straight. Karen's been in there. How to behave, feel, think, and speak and look like a millionaire. So the money is obligated to come to you. And we'll see you there and have fun. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for
Okay.
now.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye.